My topic is quantity versus quality in education. First, we see the quality education. A quality education is one that focuses on the whole child, the emotional, mental, physical, and cognitive development of each student, regardless of gender, race, ethnicities, socio-economic status, or geographical location. It prepares the child for life. Then we see the quality and its criterion. In higher education, we have the curriculum of high quality, faculty of quality teaching, laboratories, libraries, and other facilities of quality research, administrative setup, quality control, managerial system for providing quality culture, and physical infrastructure of high standards. Then in quality of education, learning environment, content, process, outcomes, learners, these are the quality of education. Then we see the quality of education's goals. In first point, academic excellence, improve academic, then standards, applied learning, and lifelong learning we need. Then steps to transform the quality of education in India. Build systematic and institutional capacity, establish and ready mission, build teacher and teaching capacity, change the goals posed by reforming boards, exams to test understanding, not recall. Invest in technology for education and holistic development, then introduce school-based practice for learning improvement, and implement legal and structural changes. Then we see the quantity education. Quantity of education helps people attain a more year of educations and can higher wages. Attaining your lower level of education may also earn very low returns to individuals and to the economic, while more years of education, that is a quality, results in a more skillful work focus. Then we see the quality versus quantity. Quality and quantity have long been recognized as these primary factors to explain educational development. Then NEP 2020 emphasizes on improving the quality of education being rolled out from elementary education to college level education in both rural and urban India. Then quality and quantity do not go hand in hand. Then quality versus quantity education. In advancement technology, drastic improvement can be brought in education systems by introducing e-learning in elementary classrooms. This is possible by putting voluminous emphasis on skill-based learning right from the elementary classes that ensures quality education for the younger learners. Then it focuses need to be shifted from quantity to quality education to compete with a global standard. It quickly changes employment scenarios, has made it increasingly critical the children not only learn, also learn how to learn. Then we see the role of the teacher. Educator's role will change from the teacher to knowledge workers, consultants, and counselors. It need to empower themselves to the justice with would be the teachers or strategic think global and act logical. Then work together as a force to improve the teaching and learning, and develop on a specialized skill that add quality to professional functioning. Thank you.